Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to hide your work experience on LinkedIn, whether it's your current job or something from the past, without deleting it from your profile. So for that, first of all, go ahead and simply open a browser on your PC and then search for linkedin.com in the search bar. Once you search for that, you want to go ahead and simply log into your account. And once you log into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, simply tap on Visibility. Inside Visibility, you'll then be able to find tons of options. From these options, simply select Edit Your Public Profile. Then, on the right-hand side, you'll be able to find different options. If you have added experience on your LinkedIn, you will then be able to find an option that says Past Experience and Current Experience. You want to go ahead and simply toggle them off. As you can see, I don't have these options because I have not added any experience to my LinkedIn profile, but I'm sure you will have that option. You want to go ahead and simply toggle them both off. This will hide those roles from your public LinkedIn profile, which is perfect if you want more privacy or a cleaner look. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.